Welcome back to episode 13 of Ambition Strikes. In this episode, we celebrate Riley's birthday by snowmobiling for the first time, eating and drinking our way through Bend, and going on a bike ride that ends in some blood. We're Riley and Courtney Casey. Driven by a desire to learn new skills and challenge ourselves, we spent 3 months building our version of the ultimate expedition vehicle. With the build coming to an end, it's time to hit the road and spend every second we can exploring, learning new skills, and sharing our passion for building things. So buckle up and follow along, because this is Ambition Strikes.
Skiing Mount Bachelor today. I met Ian on YouTube, and this is his friend Lenny, and they're showing me around. It's been a great day. It's warm out, but we're having a good time. That was a way bigger drop than I was expecting.
That was awesome.
It's Riley's birthday today. Not a bad way to spend the day.
We're at Mount Bachelor. I had a great birthday today. Got to go skiing with some new friends. Got to go skiing with Courtney. And we've got a good dinner planned for tonight.
And home is where you park it. Riley's birthday was a few days ago, but today is the day we are celebrating, and I have a pretty good surprise planned.
Courtney booked us snowmobiles for the day. I have been so excited to try snowmobiling and pumped for this, so thanks, Courtney.
We have no idea what we're doing, but we're gonna go have some fun.
Courtney's fancy snowmobile has heated grips. Throttle pedal.
That's heated too?
Yeah. All right, we made it out of the parking lot. This is our first time on snowmobiles. We made it to Mount Bachelor. Should have brought my skis and got a couple runs in.
That's pretty fun. I didn't know snow trails also got whooped out.
You just gotta go faster. We've got the drone strapped on the back of my sled, but I think it might be safer on Courtney's. Did you pee yourself?
I don't think so. I think I've just been flinging snow up my butt.
Her butt is soaking wet.
It's cold too.
My sled has a little thing that it clips to, but Courtney's is missing, so we tied it up and maybe
No more wet butt. We made it to the lodge. We're gonna go get some lunch.
So during the winter, the only way to get to Elk Creek is by snowmobile, so it's pretty
Or
cool.
Suburbans on tracks.
Or the Suburbans on tracks.
I'm drying my butt out by the fire. We had a delicious snack at the lodge and a beer, and we are headed out for leg 2.
Courtney, what did I do?
You went the wrong way!
I went the wrong way.
No, we want to stay on trail 3, right?
So we want to get back to here until we get to 34.
We want to go right.
All right.
To the tunnel! Now we have to put them on the trailer. Good job, babe.
Whew, that was awesome.
A lot of you guys asked what we do with dogs when we're off doing things that aren't dog friendly, and the answer is they love the camper. And then they're excited when we get back.
Well, I think I know what we're doing next winter. that was so much fun. I've first time on a snowmobile for either of us, and I think we did 40 miles, and that was awesome. I think riding a two-person snowmobile would be kind of like a tandem kayak.
We learned long ago that our marriage does not support tandem events.
I think it's a good thing we each had our own today. And tell us where we are?
Oregon. We are in Bend, riding our bikes on the Coyote Loop.
How is it?
It's a beautiful day. Poor Riley. We just started the trail and he crashed.
I was messing with the GoPro on my chest, and next thing I knew, I was over the bars and in the dirt.
Oh, right? I'm sorry, I'm laughing. It's just like the parking lot's right
There's
there.
nothing here.
The GoPro is pretty destroyed. He thinks he crashed into this rock. With your pedal, maybe?
No, with my front tire.
Oh.
I stop and film Courtney ride by, and then I have to pedal hard to catch back up. High desert forest with a view of Bachelor. It's a super pretty ride. I don't really consider it a successful bike ride unless I'm bleeding, and I'm bleeding all over, so I guess it was successful.
And I consider it successful if I'm not bleeding, so.
Super fun, fast.
9-mile loop. All right, we've been told Sparrow Bakery, the ocean roll.
We've been told they make delicious dog treats. Hambun.
What?
No, wait.
No, human treats. Oh my gosh, it's like a croissant and a donut.
The thing is huge.
They gave us 4 of them.
Should've-
It's a good Sunday.
So for my birthday weekend, not only did Courtney treat me to snowmobiling, but now we're getting some beers and we're gonna get some dinner later downtown Bend. My parents also got us a hotel room tonight, which is not like us.
At McMiniman.
The dogs are pretty confused, but McMiniman's is pretty cool. It's this old schoolhouse they turned into a hotel downtown here. It's fun.
I think we need a full recap on your crash from today.
I don't want to talk about it. The chin, got my wrist, I got this elbow, I got both my knees. But the bike's okay, and that's important.
Do you guys maybe know now why I call him Reckless Riley?
I have no idea. Our dogs feel very out of place in a hotel room. Where are we, guys? What are you supposed to do with all this space?
We're supposed to go like this.
What did you do while in the hotel shower?
I got a bathe to the dogs. I cleaned it up. That's really good.
That's really good too.
Watch out. It's 0-3 for Courtney today.
Why is everything closed?
Shut this place down on Easter Sunday.
Bend is a special place for us and we're having an amazing time. But we're definitely counting the days until our wheels arrive and we can keep modifying the truck.